want to show you how to sometimes bend earring hooks to form around your design. So these are long earring hooks by Amoracast, and what I do is I want to bend it around this pearl. And because it's a satin finish, what you should do is use a pair of pliers that is plastic coated, so to protect any sort of protect it from scratch marks like this. So I'm going to bend it approximately, and then until I can figure out this is approximately where I want it. The other thing that you could do is if you happen to have a pair of pliers you really like working with, or there's a formation, the curvature, I simply use masking tape and I tape around it, and that way, you see, it doesn't leave a mark as well.